All right, guys. So look, all right. So I know I haven't posted a video since Friday. Friday I recorded my video Friday, and it was way too long. I took a trade, so let's go back. Um, so hold on, let me get rid of this. All right, so boom, let's go back. So I took a trade Friday. See what the hell is going on. All right, boom. All right, is it good? All right, it's good. All right. So I took a trade Friday. Well, no, not Friday. I took a trade Thursday. Right, we lost. Well, I personally think I won that trade in my opinion. I have the video. I just did not edit it. The video was too long. I was like, I don't want to do that to you guys, but I'm gonna just break it down. I'll still post it for you guys. I'll still post it for you. I'll go through and I'll edit it since I'm sitting here right now recording it. I'm gonna post it for you guys. I just like the video. I was just sitting there for a while, bro, and I didn't want you guys to just. It was like almost 2 hours long. No way in hell. I'm gonna chop it up, speed it up, so you guys can see it. But pretty much, started out Thursday morning. I was the bias of long originally, but I low key got FOMO'd into a trade. Ended up taking a short, lost $600. Boom. So on my original setup that I knew like that I wanted to take off rip, said, all right, fuck it, we're gonna enter. And then it was a really good trade, really good trade. Like I was up like 900 in profit, but I was low key kind of being greedy. But I did have trail stops at like 360 or like 360 or you know what I mean. So we ended up clearing half of that debt and ending off Thursday with a negative $300 day. I still count that as a win because I took a really good trade. Like that long was a really good long. Let me see if I can go find some screenshots of it in the Discord. Just a second. Actually, it's bro. It'll be quicker to just go here. Uh, Yeah, look, this was like a really good long. And at one point I was literally up like $900, almost like but like my take profits. This trade was too ambitious. This was the trade that I took long setup, beautiful long, entered off of a 5 minute break, 5 minute break of structure, and we respected a 5 minute fair value gap as well. Uh, Entered, break even, hit, move stops into profit. Bro, literally was up $700. Could have cleared the debt. Had a winning day, but like I said, bro, got too greedy. I thought we were gonna hit at least. I thought we were gonna at least hit TP1. We didn't hit none of the TPs. Ended up hitting trail stop, and boom, that was all she wrote for that trade on Friday. Video. I'm gonna post that video for you guys. Then Sunday night, I didn't record this trade at all. Sunday night, I was just on the charts. I don't even think I took a picture of this trade. Let's see. Sunday night. Oh yeah, I did actually. All right, yeah. Sunday night, I just happened to be on the charts. Notice we respected a five. Notice we had a 5 minute fair value gap. We had a 30 second. 30, I know this sounds crazy. 30 second inverse fair value gap. This model always works, but you can't have like a crazy take profit. And I went in for like a cool, just a cool. I think this was like a 1 to 2, 1 to 2 RR. Got 470. Made back the money that I lost yesterday. I mean that I lost on Thursday, and we got our first win day. And then this morning, I was trying to record a video for you guys because I wasn't gonna trade. I was only gonna take a trade if I got presented a plus setup. And this morning, I literally had a video recording, and like my Top Step X kept doing this. Like especially it's only on my computer. It's so bad. I got to try and get this shit figured out because it's unbearable. I have to trade on my phone, bro. Literally. But was trying like it just kept refreshing, not connecting to the fucking thing or whatever, bro. And I was like, all right, bro, I don't got time for this shit. Like, if it's gonna work, it's gonna work. If it's not gonna work, I'll just trade on my phone. So ended up like I would literally have a whole video recorded, but it's just me sitting on my phone with the camera on me, and I was like, bro, I'm not posting this. So you guys are not gonna get that video like boring as hell. I wasn't even talking either, bro. Like that's how mad and locked in I was. Anyways, though, I thought I got an A plus setup for longs. Let's see, did I send that in here? No, 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 I didn't. I don't think I did at least. Nah, I didn't. I took a L though. I took a L on that trade. I took a L on that trade. It was like a 100 and like it was like what $110, 120. So not bad at all. We still kept our winning day of 300. Today, once again, did not even bother to even try and trade because I had to trade on my fucking phone. So I didn't even bother to like try and like record a video. But anyways, let's get into the trade that we took, right? So this is the trade we took. Well, this is well, let me show like the actual screenshot. because take actual TP was like way better, like way more. Like so, this could have been a third. This could have been a $4,000 trade, and this would have been my biggest trade that I ever hit. Even now, I'm pretty sure this is the biggest trade I ever hit. $2,100. This is the most I ever made in a single trade. Um, I'm trying to. I want to break it down for you guys. Hopefully, it doesn't act weird. All right, but yeah, full TP still hasn't even hit. But I didn't even get greedy. I just took the 2,000. Anyways, though, so let me tell you. So I was looking on silver, right? And I was looking to take a trade on silver. I did not know that like I did not know 5 micros. If bro, do not touch, don't ever touch silver on a Top Step account, bro. That is, bro, 5 micros, like not regular. Like look, M silver, well, silver, like micro silver, like less money. 5 micros, my bro. I entered a trade with it. I set my stop loss. My stop loss was literally about the same as this. My stop loss was $7,000. My take profit was like $20,000, and the trade would have hit too. The trade would have hit, but well, no, take profit would have hit, but I wouldn't have been able to stay in the trade, bro. Like that was like, bro, that's too much money, bro. So I ended up like I closed it immediately, and I lost like $400. So I was down 400 from that, and I was pissed, bro. And coming into this trade, I was like, bro, like if I see a good opportunity, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna size into it. So watching it on the 5 minute, I originally wanted us to inverse this 5 minute fair value gap, and I was just gonna take an inverse fair value gap entry into this original position. You know, relative equal highs here. We have relative equal highs right here. These two. Well, no, this one and this one. Low key might be equal highs. Mm. No. Relative equal. We have relative equal highs right here. Um, So I wanted that was always going to be a take profit, and then we had another take profit here at the bottom of the fair value gap, and final TP at the top of this fair value gap in case we inverse it, right? But we didn't get that. We got more displacement down, but that was good, right? Because it gives us a better entry. We came down into this fair value gap right here, tapped into it, boom. What do you know? We respected it, right? As we respected it, we literally inversed this fair value gap right here, this newly created bearish fair value gap. So I knew we had some good pride. I knew we had some good buy pressure, and it was a very strong, like, very strong, very strong bullish candle to the upside. Anyways, though, we ended up tapping into another 5 minute fair value gap that we had just created, right? And we got some huge, but I entered right when this candle opened too, and I low key like almost died, bro, because like if this trade didn't play out, I would have blew the account. Like this stop loss was like $1,500, so I would have blew the account. But so, and I was stressing, bro, when we were down here, bro. I was like, bro, damn, like I was low key getting emotional, but I wasn't gonna close the trade or nothing. But I was like, fuck, bro, like I just blew the account, like this and that. But like I mean, I still kind of had some faith, especially when this candle closed. When this candle closed, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm Gucci, bro. There's no way we just had this much sell pressure and then buy pressures this crazy for us to close green. I was like, we're green, bro. And then what do you know? We just started fucking ripping it. We just started ripping it. Literally, bro. Like TP we got filled within like what 5, 10 within like yeah within 10 minutes this trade was over with. Um, And yeah, that's the confluence for that. So now, after these 2 solid days, we're back positive on the account. We're up 200. Well, we're up $2,100 on the account. Uh, let's see. Last week, right now we're at about a we got a decent win rate. We got a 70% win rating. Um, Nothing too crazy. We're 2 out of 5 payout days, 2 out of 5 payout eligible days. We need 3 more, so I don't know if I'm gonna go for flip days. I want to try and get one more day of normal trading, so like going for normal setups, trying to like catch normal moves. Because I feel like the way I do trade, when I do trail my stop loss, like it's very safe. You know what I mean? I automatically secure profits and I automatically secure that payout day. So I don't think there's no need for me to just go strictly for flip days. But you never know at the end of the day. But I want to try and go for one more actual trading day. Not gonna be like greedy or nothing, but like another like $500 or another 400, 700, 800, however much, you know what I mean? However much that normal trading day brings me, you know what I mean? We'll do it. Um, but yeah, bro, I'm super hyped and I'm super blessed to be in this position, bro. This is looking to be one of the best starts I've had on an XFA. Even the account that I got a payout on back in like all the way in September, bro, that was so long ago. Like I never like my balance was never this high. Like I never had a $2,000 balance. Like my payout was like $908 and some change. So God say the same. If we could finish out Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday strong, we could be looking we could be looking at $1,000, maybe 2,000, maybe even three. Who knows? But we're not going for the numbers. We're just going for the win, bro. As long as we get that 150, as long as we get that 150 for these next 3 days, I'm straight. I don't care how much it is after the 150, as long as we get it. You know what I'm saying? But I had to make sure I get you guys this video. I'm probably gonna just post it right now and then edit the next one. I don't want to keep it depriving y'all. But yeah, bro. Thank you guys so much for. Well, let me show you guys the P&L on the weekly. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for keeping up supporting. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a good night.